Good evening and welcome to my update of Sword of the Stone of Blu-ray DVD and digital copy 50th anniversary edition from America. Released from the Disney Vault. The back version. This is the US version. See it all the way down. The side. So inside the Blu-ray. That's it. Sword in the Stone. Inside, just got the Blu-ray disc of Sword in the Stone from America and DVD of Sword in the Stone. This is the US version. This is not available in the UK yet, along with Robin Hood on Blu-ray and Oliver and Company. And I got this today, along with Peter Pan Return to Neverland and Jungle Book. 2 movie collection day from the UK, but I am going to get the US version. So I hope you enjoy my update, and I'll see you soon when I get Monsters University and The Little Mermaid. See you soon. Bye.